Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can run Chrome OS or a Chromebook operating system on your Windows or Mac computer using a VMware Workstation virtual machine. Now first off, you're going to want to have VMware Workstation installed on your computer, obviously. Then what you're going to want to do is go to this URL here and click, this is the Cloud Ready version we're using, then click download 64-bit and it'll download a zip file which will extract to this. So once you have VMware's Workstation installed, what you're going to want to do is double click on this this file here to start the virtual machine. And then, as you can see, here it is running. Unfortunately, VMware Tools is not supported yet, so you can't use full screen mode. But there you go. You can now try a sample Chrome OS on your Windows or Mac computer using VMware through a virtual machine. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.